Oh my god. My dear sweet baby girl, you're loved more than you could ever imagine, and God could not have chosen a more perfect time to send you in your life. My wish for you is that you are joyful in all situations, that you always be kind to everyone that you meet, young or old, big or small. I wish that you're going to be obedient as your big brother. I wish that you're going to be eager, like so eager to learn new things and to go new places and just to explore. I wish that you always remain youthful. And that you're going to be so intelligent, you're going to be wise beyond your years. I wish that you always be yourself, just be true to you, always. I wish that you have a wide imagination, like, I want you to think so big, to imagine all things. I wish that you are going to be artistic. I want you to be happy. I want you to be healthy. I want you to be hilarious. I wish that you're going to be the most loving little girl anyone has ever encountered. You're going to be so lovable. And I know that you're going to be awesome, like, and affectionate. And finally, mommy wishes that you're going to be marvelous. You're going to be the most marvelous person. My baby Jalia, Kylie Thompson. We love you so much. Janine, because God has answered.